It's an ongoing series.
That's a polite way for pain in the ass.
Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel from a setting sun here at Lincolnshire. It's getting dark. And so we are trying to crack on with the Proton Impian, which is my £300 bargain car, which so far has caused us nothing but a headache with the brakes. We've been on eBay. We've spent £17 on an anti-roll bar link for the near side for the car. Amazingly, we were able to find a brand new one. And in this video, we're going to fit it to the car, speak to Dad about why we're fitting a new one, and hopefully in the next 10 minutes or so, have one on the car. Anti-roll bar links.
Yes, mate.
Tell me about them. What are they? What do they do? And why are we
Link
replacing
the anti-roll bar to the suspension.
Yeah. And why are we replacing?
Because the boot's all split on it, mate.
Okay, fine. Big job?
No.
Good. I've quoted 10 minutes. Is that good for the customer?
Would be if my frigging apprentice worked. My brush, please, apprentice.
Okay. This is going to be the world's fastest anti-roll bar link change on a Proton Impian. Reason being...
Because it's all going to be seized up and I'm going to swear and grumble and have to get the hot spanner on it and all sorts.
And the reason being is the light is fading. We've been working on the brakes in a previous video. If you haven't seen that, check that out. I'll go and get it out, but this is going to be super duper quick. Speedy refit of an anti-roll bar link. First part of the call is to find the blooming thing. Ah, there it is. The one I bought is a blueprint one. It's from eBay. It's ADG 085156 if you need it, which corresponds with the part number PW821497, which is the Proton one.
There's no bugger else daft enough to be running one.
There it is if you want to see it. The old one is held into place by two nuts. And Dan's got his artificial sun under there.
Aha!
Comment down below, how would you rather spend your Saturday evening? Don't tell me it's not all seized up.
Yeah, look, that's tit.
Problematic.
You can't get at it, can you?
Oh. There we go. Out comes a crowbar. And out comes the anti-roll bar link, the old one.
Yeah.
What do you reckon to that?
I think it's an aftermarket one.
Okay. What makes you think that?
Because it's leaking grease and the other side isn't. Can I have the new one, please, John?
Yes, next to your right hand.
Doesn't look that bad when you take it off. But it's certainly chucked grease everywhere. It didn't look very good.
So there's the old one. It's come off the car. As Dad says, actually, well, it doesn't look too bad now it's off the car, but, well, we've got it off, so we're going to be replacing it. You can see where it's been leaking grease.
Don't understand why.
But why?
Yeah, why? Oh, why, oh, why? Why, oh, flipping why?
Well, it's definitely problematic.
Aha.
What are you thinking, boss man? What you come in and found?
I want to fetch some tools.
It's brighter in the workshop now.
It bloody well is. Normally it's not, is it? That's why I'm trying to get my finger out to do the job.
That's why we're doing a world record attempt.
It's not so much that, but I don't want to be piddling about and wait for it to get dark. Not when I can crack on, Gromit.
Oh. Out comes the one van.
You want to know what I'm doing? Just whizzing them down to make them go on and off easier. That's what I'm doing, son.
Here it is. So put the bottom end in and just put that nut on. Do not tighten it fully. Then put the next one in, pull it to one side and tighten it. Here comes the ring spanner. Bit awkward to get to, that one.
Yeah, it is. It's unusual. It's unusual.
There's the new one in.
That'll do me, Gromit.
Well, there it is, in place. Spot the new piece. That literally took, well, less than 10 minutes. New anti-roll bar link on the Impian. Will that make any difference, or is it just...
Nope.
Have we actually wasted money there?
Nope.
Good. What are you doing now?
I'm putting the battery on charge.
You've got a super battery charger there.
Yeah, but I've never been... Oh, I've got to admit.
It's no good.
I don't trust it.
No, fair enough.
I don't know whether it works or not, but we'll find out. I don't trust it.
I tell you what we have used, and it's been okay today.
Phew.
The AC mount.
Yeah. Christmas has come early for me.
Christmas has come early for Dad, because, well, it was free for you, so... Winner, winner!
I'm claiming that, Mum. I'm going to keep him. I'll go around all over jump starting people, even if they don't want jump starting. SOS Active Recovery. And that should mend it.
Mend the battery. I'll believe that when I see it. But we'll leave it on anyway and see what happens.
All we can do, mate, isn't it?
Yeah, okay, so it's got dark outside, the car's back in
It's
the
meh.
garage. It's horrible out there, actually, isn't it? So, my plan was to talk to you in the light rather than in the dark.
Well, I'm being sure it left no Spaniards outside.
No spanners out the side. So today, wasting our time, really.
Especially my time.
Yes, you're not really in the mood today, are you?
Nah. I was in the mood at 8:30 this morning.
Yeah, I had to arrive later after taking Mrs. JC to work and doing some chores.
Don't forget them lights for your mum. She'll be in doghouse.
Oh yeah. So now you're putting your tools away. We've bled the rear brakes, firing it up with the ABS.
Yeah.
Still didn't
seem to work, really.
No. It could just be that the brakes are like that, you know.
Well, that's what one person said.
Yeah.
They might have been just being
Kind.
yeah.
Kindness.
Yeah, trying to make us feel better about ourselves.
What's next on the Impian?
On the Impian,
Yeah.
well, hopefully you're going to just take it to your house and put it in the garden and let the grass grow up around it and forget about it.
We've got a bit more to do on it, but mechanically, I suppose...
So that's not an option, is it?
No, sadly not. I suppose mechanically the next thing to do is give it a good old once-over, engine bay clean.
No, we've got to mend the brake shit. And we've got to do that pedal thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's coming to Christmas. And
I don't want this stuck here over Christmas. I've got to get Santa's sledge in here to get it serviced.
I can see that it will probably be here for Christmas. We've got tyres to fit, but we will not probably be MOTing this car before Christmas, I don't think.
I shouldn't think so, mate.
No. It's an ongoing series, and we will continue to work on
That's
it.
a polite way for pain in the arse.
And we've got loads of other stuff to do, including some work on the van and the Smart 451. We've still got an EML light coming on the Smart 42, which is causing me mega drama. Never ending, mate, is it?
No, I've got an idea. You sell all your crap and buy 2 decent cars.
Yes. Aston Martin DB5 and an Audi A8. What do you reckon of that?
Nah. Hyundai i10.
Yeah, I could borrow yours.
No. No. No.
If you've enjoyed this video...
It is a good little car, you know.
What's that?
Hyundai i10.
Oh, I thought you meant the Proton Impian.
No.
We've got lots to do. Anyway, thanks for your help today. Even though you weren't really in the mood.
I'm not.
I'll bung you an extra tenner in your wages. Good. Cue the outro.
An extra tenner on nothing is nothing.
It's 10. Hey, well, there you go. That was a quick fit of an anti-roll bar link on the Proton Impian. World record. We've come back into the garage now because, well, it's dark. That was a...
Talking about the magic of television,
Yeah.
I was watching Mike Brewer and Ed China road testing this AC Cobra replica that they'd managed to get it through the IVA test.
Right.
But 1 minute it had got its headrest in, the next minute the headrest was out. What's going on here?
I think the continuity editor needs to get sacked. The reason you're talking about the magic of television is, well, we've done 2 things this afternoon. We've fitted a new anti-roll bar link, which actually wasn't very interesting, and done some work on the rear brakes. Good, thanks for that. Thanks for ruining the magic of television there. Good. But that went okay?
What's that, doing the roll bar link?
Anti-roll bar link.
If I can't fit a flipping roll bar link without causing a lot of drama, I shall sell my spanners on eBay. Do you know, everything's getting damp.
Yeah, it's horrible out there.
It's poo.
It's nearly Christmas, and we are working our way towards 13,000 subscribers.
That's good, isn't it?
If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Let us know in the comments down below, what do you want to see next? Till next time, have a great day. Thanks for watching. In the Impian workshop, we've got loads of stuff to come on the Impian, including, we're fitting a new, probably going to be fitting a new battery and trying to keep bleeding the ABS. And it'll end up with us rebuilding.
Buy shares in brake fluid.
Yeah, we've bought shares in brake fluid. Until next time.
I'm telling the viewers to do that. There's a run on brake fluid.
There is around here. Till next time, thanks for watching. More Impian stuff still to come. Ta-ra.
See you, folks.
As ever, thank you for watching this video. Dad and I have selected a couple more videos for you that we think that you might like. They're here now. Just give them a click to watch them. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. It means a lot to us. Thank you.